Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Okay, my name is Madam Grace. Today we are continuing with our unit on housekeeping and accommodation. We're going to cover textile fibers. So today we are going to look at the textile fiber, how it is categorized. We have man-made and we have natural and man-made. So who can tell me examples of natural? Examples of natural fiber? Yes, Cynthia?
Cotton.
Cotton.
Excuse.
Cotton is under plant. Yes, thank you, Margaret.
Wool.
Wool. Yes, wool. Wool is under animal. Thank you. Somebody else? So, under natural, we have animal, we have plant, and also we have minerals. So under minerals, we have asbestos. Under plant, we have cotton and linen, and under animal we have wool and silk. So we go to man-made. Who can tell us one example of man-made? Yes, Margaret.
Polyester.
Polyester is under synthetic fiber. Somebody else? Margaret, lower your hand. Yes, Mercy.
Nylon.
Nylon is also under synthetic fiber. Yes, good trial. So we have synthetic and regenerated. Under regenerated fibers, we have acetate rayon and viscose rayon. So we are going to discuss each and every fiber we have stated. So we start with cotton. Who can give me one characteristic of cotton? You see this is this cloth and you see it's cotton. Somebody? Somebody? Raise your hand. Yes, Mercy? Unmute yourself.
Cotton is made from cotton plant and also
Yeah.
it is soft and breathable.
Yes, thank you. So we have different properties of cotton. Mercy, lower your hand. So we have different properties of cotton. Number one, we have it is strong when wet. It is very absorbent. So when we place it in water, it can absorb. That's why we use it. We use towels made of cotton. We also have it can withstand high temperatures. We usually boil cotton such as towels, like nappies, baby napkins. We usually boil them. It can develop mildew when wet, when left wet for a long period of time. That is, you have not like hanged it outside. It will get mildew. We also have it is weakened by long exposure to sunlight. Despite the fact that it withstands high temperature, if you leave it in the sun for too long, it's going to weaken. We also have it's highly inflammable unless treated. So there's treatment it undergoes so that it cannot be flammable. We also have it lacks lusters unless given a finish. So to identify it, it burns like a paper, and also that is why it can be identified using burning test. We have linen. Linen is almost like cotton, but it is stronger than cotton. So the properties are almost the same, but now you will see they will say it's stronger than cotton, it's expensive than cotton, but they almost look alike. So it is a very good conductor of heat, therefore suitable in warm weather. so it can be used for even in warm weather because it's a good conductor of heat. It creases and shrinks badly unless given a restricted finish. We also have, it is very absorbent. It can absorb water. It's like cotton. We also, it can be damaged by mildew. So when left wet for a long period of time, it can be attacked by moth and mildew. Linen is more lustrous than cotton. It's more resistant to sunlight. So it can be damaged by sunlight, but it's more stronger than cotton. It's also more expensive than cotton. When left damp, it can be affected by mildew. To identify it, it's the same as cotton because when you use them, you burn them, it's going to burn like a paper. So for the next lesson, I want us to go and look for properties of wool, how you can identify wool, and also which test can be made so that you can identify that this is wool. So that's all we have for today. In our next lesson, we are going to discuss about properties of wool and other fibers. So thank you for your attendance. Any question? Anybody with a question? So thank you for your attendance. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.